So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is teaching us from external perspectives. It seems that Bhaktivinoda Thakur wasn't Krishna conscious in the early part of his life, and that he was a convert to Krishna consciousness. That is his mercy, that he showed that even someone who is away from Krishna consciousness can take it up very seriously and become fully Krishna conscious to the highest level. He demonstrated that by his personal example. If every pure devotee came to this world and they came flying in on a swan airplane with Gandharvas singing and demigods throwing flowers on them, we would think, well, how can I attain to pure devotion? I'm coming, if I'm at all in Krishna consciousness, I'm coming up. These are avatars. A great devotee like Thakur Bhaktivinoda, Shaktyavesh avatar, he's coming down from the spiritual world. If I'm going up, it means I came up from the hellish worlds. I'm so far away from that. And you may say, well, it's very easy and natural for them to be Krishna conscious, but what about me? I can never come to such a standard. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur shows how one can come to Krishna consciousness even with so much contamination and become fully Krishna conscious.